Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later. So guys, when you try to go live on your Instagram account and you are facing this issue that your live is not eligible and your live is not working on your Instagram, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to open your settings, and after this you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. Now you need to click on general, and guys, now from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to go back. From here you have to reset your network settings, and now you need to go back. So guys, after doing all these settings, you have to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. So guys, after searching it, you need to open your Instagram and you need to update your app if not updated, and after doing update you need to go back. Now you need to open your settings again, click on general. From here you have to click on iPhone storage, and now you need to find your Instagram, and after finding it you need to open your Instagram app here. So guys, after this you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, now you have to go and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, maybe live is not available in your country or region. So guys, you need to make sure that you are lives in eligible country and region. So guys, if you are lives in eligible country and region and you are facing this issue again and again, then you need to open your Instagram app, click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, and after this guys, you need to wait, scroll it below. From here you need to click on here the option that you can see help, and click on report a problem, and after this you need to click it again. You need to turn it off, and after this you need to click on report a problem again, and now you need to click on include and continue, and here you need to write your problem that you are facing again and again and upload a screenshot, and you need to submit your appeal. Within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.